In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll confidently attach documents, images, and spreadsheets to your tasks, share files through comments for quick collaboration, and wrap up your updates neatly so your workspace stays organized and easy to navigate. First, open your ClickUp app or sign in on the web. Once you're in, head straight to your spaces. This is the home for your work structure in ClickUp, where your tasks and lists live. Think of a space as the broad area for a team or project, and inside it, you'll find folders, lists, and individual tasks. Spending a second here to confirm you're in the right space prevents files from landing in the wrong place later. Inside your chosen space, look for the list that contains the task you want to update. If you're not sure which view you're in, that's okay. Grid, board, and list views will all show your tasks. Just pick the one you're most comfortable with. Hover over the task you want, then click it to open. If you prefer to create a dedicated task just for this upload, you can do that too. For the sake of demonstration, let's create a new task. Give it a clear name that makes sense to your team. Add any quick details you want to remember later, and then save it. Saving ensures your task exists in the list and is ready to receive files without anything getting lost. Now get the file you plan to upload ready. For example, let's say you've prepared an Excel spreadsheet, maybe a tracker or a report that's sitting in your downloads folder. Keeping files named clearly, like Q1 report.xlsx, makes them easy to spot and understand later, both for you and for anyone you're collaborating with. With your task open, scroll until you see the attachments area. You'll notice a space that invites you to drag and drop files. This is the quickest way to add something. Open your File Explorer, click, and hold the file, and drop it directly into that attachments area. ClickUp will upload it and show it right away once it's finished. If you prefer not to drag and drop, click the Attach or Upload button in that same area and choose your file from your computer. Either way works the same. The file ends up attached to the task, visible to anyone with access to that task. You'll see a thumbnail or file name appear, confirming the upload. If you ever need to add multiple files, you can repeat the process to stack them in the same place, so everything related to the task stays together. There's another place you can attach files that's really useful when you want to share context with a message: the comment box. At the bottom of the task, click into the comment field and look for the attach icon. You can click that and choose a file, or just drag and drop your file straight into the comment field. Once it appears in the comment preview, click Send. This posts your message along with the attachment, so your teammates can see both the file and your note in one place. It's a handy way to say, "Here's the updated spreadsheet," or "Please review this image," and keep a clean activity trail inside the task. If your files live in cloud storage, you can connect them just as easily. In the same attachment options, choose a cloud source like Dropbox or OneDrive. When prompted, sign into your cloud service and pick the file you want. ClickUp will link or upload it, and it will sit right alongside any files you've added from your computer. This is especially helpful for teams that maintain a single source of truth in the cloud, or when your file is too large to keep duplicating on local machines. It keeps everything accessible and in sync. As soon as your files are attached, whether you did it in the attachments area or within a comment, you're essentially done with the upload process. You'll see your file listed on the task, ready for anyone on the task to view, download, or reference. If you used a comment, your message and the file appear together in the activity feed, making it clear what changed and why. That little bit of context helps your teammates take the right next step without hunting for information. Before you move on, do a quick visual check. Confirm the file name is correct, the attachment appears where you expect it, and any comment you posted has been sent. If everything looks good, close the task by clicking the X in the top corner of the modal or panel. That returns you to your list or board view, and your upload is safely stored in the task you chose. And that's it. Uploading files in ClickUp is quick and easy. You opened your space, chose or created a task, added your file either in the attachments area or in a comment, clicked, send when needed, and close the task when you were finished. These simple steps keep your work tidy, your updates visible, and your team aligned without extra back and forth. Thanks for watching. If this helped you learn how to upload files within ClickUp, like this video and subscribe for more tutorials just like it.